Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great Sunday. Today is the 23rd of June, 2024. The reason that I am just putting together this super quick message, obviously you hear no intro music and no exciting intro and all that kind of good stuff. I just wanted to send a quick message to everyone out there and to thank them for listening to the podcast. I know early on when I first started out, it was kind of back and forth. I do a few episodes here and there, no real regularity to it. It was just a hobby, a fun thing to do. Maybe people will like it, maybe they won't. Now I wake up every day and for like 10 or 12 hours a day, podcast, the YouTube channel, doing videos, editing content, coming up with new cool things. And it's been pretty exciting. It's been a lot of fun. Today, we crossed over 400,000 downloads. Now, to a bigger Joe Rogan type of person or some other big podcaster, that's what they get probably in the first 15 minutes of one of their shows being on. So I'm not, getting a little bit big-headed about anything here, but I wanted to thank all of you because I've had the opportunity to talk to and meet so many amazing people through the Discord room, through email, different areas where we've got a chance to meet up and talk. I've even had dinner with a couple of you. So it's just been really, really exciting. And getting to 400,000 isn't a big milestone in the grand scheme of things when you look at like even numbers or whatever it is, 500,000, a million and on. Those are probably the bigger numbers, but we're going to get there. We're going to be at 500,000 by the end of the year. And I think that it's entirely possible if things keep going the way they are, we're going to break 1 million this year. I don't know. I'm optimistic about it. I'm excited, but there's a whole lot of stuff that's coming up. I've just really begun ramping up a lot of new things that are going to be rolling out and included. And, like I said, we've got the exclusive content that's set up right now. I'm doing a lot more to try to make that better. I'm going back and redoing all the audio on everything. Anytime I come across any mistakes or anything that was unclear, I'm adding new data back in or new information back in there to make sure everything is relevant. I'm going to be renumbering and renaming. So there's a whole lot of stuff going on, but forget about all of that. The most important thing is I just want you to know how much I appreciate you. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to all of these episodes. Thanks to all of you who come into the Discord room and you share your thoughts and your ideas. I am learning as much from all of you as you could possibly be learning from me, and surrounding myself with so many great, cool, fun people from all over the world, literally all over the world. So thank you, thank you, thank you. As always, feel free to reach out, Jeff@beekeepingfornewbies.com. We can have a discussion about something. If you need a hand, you're hitting a roadblock, whatever I can do. But thanks to all of you. We're going to be at 500,000 soon. And I think 1 million's right behind that. Thanks, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday.